I went through a holistic journey to kind of heal myself. And through that journey, I found herbs and vitamins and all of these things that I really wanted to help me feel better. But I was still very reliant on coffee, Red Bulls, that kind of thing, to just get through the day. I met a friend online, Jennifer, and she knew my story. She was also a mom that had struggled with being tired and overworked herself, and she had found a simple solution. She suggested that I try it. I kind of just said, okay, I'm gonna go for it. I was surprised that by taking just 2 capsules a shake in the DFT, that it had replaced like the 35 plus other supplements that I had taken, and I actually could feel it and felt better. So at that point I was hooked, and I knew that I would never not be with these products.